Hey friends, if you wish to fix power management tab missing in device manager of Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now I will tell you something first. The power management tab will not appear for all drivers but only for drivers which actually have that option where the power has to be controlled, like difficult drivers like USB root hub drivers, like network drivers, not all drivers. Okay, so search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open registry editor. Go to HKey local machine system current control set control and power. Now in the right pane we will create an dword 32-bit entry named CS enabled. Right click new dword 32-bit value CS enabled. Double click on it and make sure that the value data is 0. Click on OK and restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.